Welcome to this video lesson. Here in this video we are going to learn interchange of assertive sentence into exclamatory sentences. To begin with, you can see the first question. It is a very beautiful sight. This is an assertive sentence. Now we need to change it into exclamatory form. So what do we do? I will give two hints to identify. You need to find a or an in the sentence. If it is there, you begin the answer with what. Okay, here you can see A. It is a very beautiful sight. You can see alphabet A. So I will begin my answer with what. Okay, so the answer is what. Then I will write that A or N followed by adjective. Here the adjective is beautiful. What a beautiful sight. Then the starting part of the sentence, that is subject. It is. And finally I will end the sentence with exclamatory mark. So the final answer is what a beautiful sight it is. Okay, let's move on to next question. She is a very good dancer. You can see A in the sentence and the adjective here is good. So my answer will begin with what a, then adjective, good dancer, she is, and at the end I will put an exclamatory mark. We avoid writing very in the answer because already we have used an exclamation mark. Hope you have understood the sentence. Now let's move on to third question. It is an excellent task. You can see the question. Here the question has an. So I will begin my answer with what. Okay. What an excellent task it is. Here excellent is the adjective. Okay. Now let's move on to next question. She is a very attractive speaker. You can see a very in the sentence. So here you have noticed a, so we will start the answer with what. Okay, till now we have written a or n whatever it was present in the question. Here there will be a change. You can notice here the adjective is attractive. Okay, and attractive has a alphabet at the beginning. So you might be knowing the concept of vowel. See, I will not write the answer as what a attractive because attractive begins with a, so we are supposed to write vowels an. Okay, what an attractive speaker she is. This was the first type of question which I have taught you, dealing with a and n to begin the answer with what. Okay, this is a second type of question. You can see there is no a or n in the sentence. The school is very wonderful. So here the absence of a or n you can see. So we will begin the answer with how. Then same way we will write the adjective and the remaining part of the sentence and the subject and the verb. See, how wonderful. Here the adjective is wonderful. How wonderful. Subject is the school. How wonderful the school is exclamatory mark. Okay. Now let's move on to next example. She is truly beautiful. So here adjective is beautiful and the adverb is truly. So the answer will be what, sorry, how. We will begin with how. We will not write what. How beautiful she is will eliminate truly. Instead of very, here you can see truly. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.